Lady Kayumangi. My videos today is all about Amla. Amla powder, Amla fruit, Amla oil, Ayurvedic oil. First, I'm gonna make a Amla hair mask. I'll show you how to do it. This is the Amla powder. It's Indian product. They call it gooseberry, Indian gooseberry Amla powder. I'm gonna mix it with the henna. It's got 12 herbs or 9 herbs here. It's mixed with already shikai, brahmi, neem, methi, aloe vera, green rag, and some other mixed powder here. It's herbal natural. It's it, just one. I don't know if it's good to. It's pronounced like that. I'm gonna mix this Amla powder. Mix with my henna. I like more Amla because this is good for strengthen your hair, promotes more baby hair. I'm gonna mix it one cup of this. 1 cup of this henna. This is how I make my hair mask. I use this once a week or twice a month because it's good for hair. It's make your scalp healthy. And I mix it with half cup of this Amla powder. Makes your hair and scalp healthy. Less hair falls. This is 1 cup of henna and half cup of Amla powder. This is my Ayurvedic. It contains also got Amla oil here and olive oil, coconut oil, and some other essential oils. Got the lavender. I put already in here in my Ayurvedic oil, and peppermint oil. I've got also this one, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. I'm gonna mix it with a little Ayurvedic. I'll send you and put the link below how I make my Ayurvedic for hair. And I could put also here castor oil, MSM powder, so I will not put in here anymore because I put in all here in my Ayurvedic. So we can make a little bit only, so it will not too much sticky, not too much oil also, because it's not good too much oily. And we can make a mix with water, warm water, or a green tea. This we make our drinking tea every day. I'll show you how to mix it and not too much runny and not too much too thick. This is really good for hair. Treats alopecia, reduce hair falls, make your hair scalp healthy, strengthen your hair, rich in vitamin C, And you can mix also this amla with some other herbal powder like shikakai, like brahmi, but I just mix it to henna and amla only because it's all up there in 9 herbs. So I make my henna make more of amla powder because I like amla powder, makes more hair baby grows more also. This one is too thick, a little bit more water on it, so I show you how the texture. Just little water added, so it will not. You can store this in a cool place, not too much hot, just low temperature. But don't put in a direct sunlight because it loses its properties. You cover this with the cling film and marinate it. Leave it for 8 hours before you put on your hair, because it gonna mix all together, all this stuff powder. Because if you never put also little bit oil, it's too much stick and it's just like it's not easy to apply, and it's just like this, like a look like a muddy mud. Just like I'm making this is okay, it's gross but it's good to hair, you know. You try this and you make your hair straight, because got your frizzy hair, and make your hair straight, and it's got make it little bit dark on your hair, dark brown. It's double purpose, just like make healthy your hair and just get a bit color on your hair. If you don't like with the color, you can use the other brand, the indigo, because it will not color your hair. But this henna and amla is, henna is make your hair dark brown, but it's good because it's nice, it's healthy. It's too much stick, guys. Little time, little put water on it, so it will not too much runny. And I'll show you the other way how to use my amla. Mix it all together until and store it in a cool place. But be careful, guys, because there is imitations of this henna. You can see and check the, because some other brand is make your scalp very itchy, but be sure to look the original or not imitation powder. This is Indian product. I love to use it because, you know, Indian hairs, look at them. It's too thick and it's nice, their hair. I will cover this in a cling film and I store in a cool place. I will not put any more because this is my essential oils. I will not put any more because I've got an oil in here. See you on my other videos how I make how to use it, my other amla. I'll send also the link below, because how to apply this on your hair. because it's really get mess. I use this in my bathroom because it really stain your some other parts of your body, so you make be sure to oops, okay. Sorry about that. Repeat. Cover it with cling film or any plastic you have. Leave it for 8 hours. And I leave this on my hair 2 hours, or if you can add more if it's good for healthy scalp. Sometimes I leave it on my hair for hours, and if you really got time, but if you don't have time, you can leave it only half hour on your hair. At least you still have the benefits you can get of this. This is Amla hair mask. I use this for my hair.